Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at a strike your own coin. It's the 50p coin, and there you go. On the back you have Charles III on the obverse, and then where's my pointy stick? Just here at the back of his neck you've got a crown, which is the privy mark, and you also have the year of 2023 on the bottom there. On the reverse we have the salmon. You have the 50p shape. It is this Atlantic salmon, and on this left hand side of the coin we have three interlocking C's that look like this all the way down this left hand third of the coin. In the centre you have the value of 50p, and you have here an Atlantic salmon jumping. Now this coin, or a similar coin, has been used by the Irish on their 10p's when they had punts. To me, this coin, as lovely as it is, and it is a vast improvement on the shield in my view, it's the weakest of the 8 coins in my view. This set is mainly to do with wildlife and wildlife conservation, and I can see why in that case there is something like the salmon, Atlantic salmon. However, I believe that this set of coins, as good as it is missing one thing, and that's something to do with the royal and regal era. Every single set of coins that we've had in the past that have been definitive coins have had something to do with royalty. What I'd like to have seen on this 50p would have been the coin, the design that was the runner-up in the £1 12-sided coin design, which was the Beast of the Nations. Now I know that we've had that replicated on the £5 coin and also on the strikes that you could only pick up from the Royal Mint experience. However, I believe this particular design is the weakest of all 8, and it's a strong set, and this individually, if you saw it, wouldn't be a bad design, but I don't think it would have been the best for the 50p. I think we needed a royal cipher or something like that to keep up the traditions that we've had in the past of having a royal cipher within the definitive set, or some sort of royal crest of some description. Now, as I say, I believe the better coin for me personally, and this is only a personal opinion, would have been the beasts of the nation, the unicorn of Scotland, the Lion of England, the Stag of Northern Ireland, the Giant Stag of Northern Ireland, and the Dragon of Wales. I think that would have been a far stronger design and a far better design for this set of coins, just to have the one coin that links back directly to royalty and to our past, and the arms, coats of arms and things like that we've had in the past, to have that as a 50p coin. It was either that or perhaps bring the Flower of the Nations onto the 50p and have the £2 as the Beasts of the Nation, although I would have preferred it's the Beasts of the Nation on the 50p. But that's me. This coin itself is going to be a fairly rare coin. It's got a very short run of the Strike Your Own at the Royal Mint, and this is going to become a rarer coin, so if you can get down there I suggest you do so. Fairly toot sweet, because they are going to be changing it in the near future for the Christmas coin, which I believe will probably, although it hasn't been confirmed yet, the Snowman, the 2023 Snowman. So what do I think of this? I've explained why I think this is the weakest coin. And part of it is to do that other countries have used exactly the same animal on their coinage, and it's not unique to Britain. It's been on, I think it's been on Canadian coins, it's been on coins from Ireland, I think it's been on the Icelandic coins as well. So, you know, it's not a unique British animal, which the rest of them fairly well are. Which is why I don't think it quite fits, and is therefore for me the weakest of the 8 coins that are in the definitive set that has just been released. Having said that, this is a very nice coin in its own right, but I'm still not 100% convinced that this is the right coin for this particular denomination. It is going to be going into circulation in the very near future, so I'm looking forward to seeing it in the circulation, even though I'd have preferred a different design on it. The fact that it's part of a brand new series that is so different from every other definitive set that we had is a real blessing in many ways. I think we're going to see the 50p, possibly the pound coin as well, which is the Bs, and I think maybe the 20p and possibly the 10p this year. I'm not sure about the other denominations, they may well be NIFCs. And I'm looking forward, going forward, to being able to have a full date run of these different coins over the next few years. What do you think of this coin? Do you think I'm being too picky in what I've said? Do you think the design that I proposed instead of it would have been a better design for this coin? Tell me in the comments below. Right, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4, usually 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you enjoy watching. In January of 2023, I set myself a target of 250 subscribers by the end of that year. We're now in November the 7th, as I said, and I have 243 subscribers. So I've almost met my self-imposed target of 250 subscribers, which is 150 increase on this time last year. So I'm almost there. So if you have liked this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you believe I deserve it, could you help me towards that target of 250? I'll be very grateful. And hopefully you'll enjoy watching my videos well into the future. So lastly, thank you for watching till the end of the video, and until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far down in the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.